Carl, what are we doing? Are we doing slow boat? Or are we doing fast boat? Yeah, slow boat, huh, buddy? Huh, Redford?
That was Neely.
More battery trouble.
Valley.
Battery trouble. We're watching all the boats flying by, and we're like, "Woe is us."
Home.
Yeah, we're gonna go home, buddy. We're on our way. It's just slow going. Redford's been dunked twice, huh, Redford? Redford's like, apple. We like apple.
Apple.
Yeah. I promise I'm smiling. Beam us home, Scotty. Hey, Carl, what do we normally say? Do we say punch it, Chewy? Punch it, Chewy. I don't get a punch it, Chewy? What? You're not going to say punch it, Chewy?
Punch it, Stewie.
Good job, bud. Thank you.
Wow.
Unfortunately, we did punch it. This is what we got.
No, I don't want to throw all the pieces. That was just the muley pieces I threw over there.
Please,
No.
please.
Carl, we're not going to throw apple in the lake, kiddo. When that's part of our food, buddy. Silly goose. Besides, Redford likes apples.
You want more?